Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for Pisces water sign. This is mid-month reading, June. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So let's see your recent past. Pisces, your recent past. So let's see your recent past. Judgment, Two of Swords, Ace of Pentacles. Definitely there are some disputes between both of you and there is no communication between both of you. Two of Swords, I think you or your person could be indecisive, not taking any action. You both want commitment in this connection. It is also strong connection but not taking any action. Judgment, definitely you will get justice. Sagittarius also got this card, Judgment. So let's see your person, what is going on your connection right now, Pisces. I think there is less communication between both of you. Eight of Pentacles. You or your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. The Emperor. Nine of Wands. Definitely one person in this connection is guarded up. I think it is you or the other person could be. I think it is other person, but you want to work on this relationship seriously now because you, the Emperor, you want to give commitment to this connection. But your person could be guarded up because they don't want to hurt again. So that's why your person acting like guarded up, but you want to work on this relationship seriously now. So let's see, Pisces, your person near future actions towards you. Seven of Cups, the Moon, okay, Death. I think your person fantasizing about you a lot. The Moon, definitely there are some secrets hidden in this connection, or you could be hide something from your person, or your person could be hide something from you. Death, this is transformation, new beginning. Also definitely your person undergo some transformation near future. So let's pull some cards from universe for final message. Pisces, definitely your person undergo some transformation. Four of Swords, thinking. The Lovers, your person could be Gemini. Three of Wands, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Your person could be water energy is here, earth energy is here, fire energy is also here. Ten of Wands. Definitely your person feeling very exhausted due to say that financial, career reasons, whatever maybe. The Lovers, definitely there is love between both of you. Four of Swords, I think your person, rather than taking action, thinking a lot about this relationship, because Three of Wands, waiting. This could be long distance relationship also. You live in one city and your person could be live in another city, and it is also waiting card, definitely waiting, because your person feeling very exhausted. Ten of Wands, burden, but love is there. So in near future your person will undergo some transformation, then thinking about this situation. So in future definitely he will take action after the transformation. So this is the reading for you, Pisces. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.